Okay, the question Eder and I get asked the most by far is how do I get more followers and engagement on my social media accounts? And the answer is super simple. You have to be social on social media. We want you to set 10 minutes apart and put your timer. After 10 minutes, you have to put your hands up like in those cooking shows on TV and stop touching your phone to make sure you don't get sucked in the social media vortex and spend way too much time at that game. But for 10 minutes, we want you to go and cross-pollinate with like-minded businesses and with people that could be potential clients. Anyone you would like to give your business card to, or that you would like to leave your business card on their counter on the board of their store. People that could potentially bring you business. So how do you go about cross-pollinating on Facebook and Instagram? Let's dive right into it. To cross-pollinate on Facebook, I want you to go to your Facebook business page. Once you're on your page, you scroll down and you look on the left for See Pages Feed. Pages Feed is a business news feed within your news feed. Sounds crazy? I'll show you how it works. So either you click on this and it's going to take you to your page feed. If you don't have that, simply type it in facebook.com, the name of your page /pages_feed. Sometimes you don't see it on your page, so you have to type it in. Once you're in it, I want you to go and like other pages. So the businesses that could be likely to bring you other business. So I can say tourism. I can put tourism Squamish, for example, because this is someplace I would love to leave my business card to. Then all of a sudden, tourism Squamish is added to my feed. You will see on your business feed, on your pages feed, the most recent post by the businesses that you follow. So Mountain FM just posted 2 hours ago, tourism Squamish posted. I'm going to do another exercise and I'm go under Aloha Whistler, which is one of my clients in private coaching. So you go here and all the pages that I follow are now all listed here. You can always remove them if you don't want to follow them anymore. But what happens is all of a sudden for 10 minutes, I can go around and I can like, and I can, so it's now open. I can put a comment, and now if you see, anyone who goes to Tourism Squamish will see this post if they go to their business page, and they will see the name of my company. And if they see this company, they can click on it and then it will take them to my page. So it's like if I'm dropping my business card virtually with an active link to all different businesses that my potential clients might be visiting. It's subliminal permission-based marketing, Heather likes to call it. If you look at this little icon here, you can always decide that you want to comment as another business that you manage or as your personal profile. Maybe you'll come across some business information that you want to interact with on a more personal point of view. So I can say, I can like some comment, I can follow the pages, and I can share it or comment it. So this is the way to be social on social media with a purpose on business. Do this 10 minutes a day. On some other days, you might want to do the exact same exercise, but on Instagram, and you can watch our other video all about it. Hi, to be social on Instagram, I want you to go into your account and then click the magnifying glass at the bottom left. Then in the search bar, you're going to type in a keyword that is relevant to your business or to people that you would like to interact with. So I'm going to put small businesses because we get a lot of our clients being small businesses. See how it says top accounts? So I have different accounts, some tags, which are hashtags, and then some places, right? So let's go into accounts. If I go into Small Business BC, I can decide to follow their account. So see the blue button, I can go follow. But before I'm going to follow them, I'd like to like some of their posts and maybe add a little comment. So strategize your safety. Will definitely join. See, you put a little thoughtful comment and then you go about this. Then you go back into this account and then you follow it. Now, when you follow an account, Instagram is going to do a bunch of suggestions for you. So see entrepreneurs, survey board. So I can go in, forum for women. I can try to do this and then I can follow some, Innovate BC. And what I can do is actually click on the account and do the same exercise. Give a bit of love. So I want to like some of their posts. BC, high technology employment grants, Western country. And then I can say, okay, so instead of just doing great news, there you go. So you can go like this. So you like, you comment, and you share some of their posts. And what happens is that every time you interact, the business will get notified. So before you actually follow them, maybe once in a bit, take the time to go in and see what that company is all about. So there we go. I go and I can share some of their content and I go back and then I follow them. So what I want to do is 10 minutes a day. I want you to do that exercise. See, Women Enterprise, that's a good one. Then I can say, okay, what are they about? A huge congrats to her loan. So great. Ooh, this one I actually want to sign up for real. This Wednesday, repost from, here we go. It's a bunch of information. So I can say, okay, I definitely want to join. So I can see, ooh, how do we join them? How do we join? Sign up. Sign up. So I can post that, I can send them a message, I can follow. Then I'll show you also an example
of if I wanted to share something. So Downtown Victoria, Full Floral, social media agencies, City of North Van, definitely want to put that. Follow those guys because we do teach a lot of businesses in Vancouver. So, all right, so you get the
idea. Now what I want to do now is I want to share something on to show you how it works. So if I wanted to share this image, for example, I can say, oh, perfect. So City of Notre Dame. So see that paper plane? I click here and I can say, I want to add this post to my story. So I can actually share this post to my story. And by tapping on it, the whole post will happen. And then I can treat it like a normal post. I could add some, the location, some gifts and say, yay. So there we go. I can put these little guys up and then I can say, okay, great news. And then you can go into your story and then I can click and add this to my story. And the City of North Van will get notified that this has been added to my story. So this is how you are social on social media. You go around the accounts, you like, you comment, you explore, you say search, and then you put some comments to with other accounts. You do this 10 minutes a day. After 10 minutes, please put your hands up and make sure you do not waste your time. And how cute is that little guy?